Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a survey site called Fortunable. They claim you can earn up to $5 per survey, which sounds pretty sweet. But is it too good to be true? Let's find out. What is Fortunable? Fortunable is a survey site that promises to reward you for your opinions. They sound legit, but before you jump in, there are some things to consider. Good aspect of it. The good stuff, kind of. Fortunable does have a few redeeming qualities. They offer easy cash out. Minimum payout is only $10 and you can use PayPal, gift cards, or even donate to charity. Mobile friendly. No app needed, just access surveys through your email. Bad aspect of it, limited earning opportunities. The biggest drawback? Surveys are scarce. You have to complete your profile first, which takes about 10 minutes. But even then, you might not get many invites. Stressful survey taking? Here's the weird part. Once you get an invite, the link only works once. You gotta finish the survey in one sitting, or you're out of luck. Plus, surveys have a limited number of respondents, so if you hesitate, you might miss out entirely. Talk about pressure. Is Fortunable legit? Fortunable isn't a scam, but it's not exactly a gold mine either. There are better survey sites out there with more opportunities and less stress. Is it worth your time? Maybe as a side hustle, but don't expect to replace your day job. What are your experiences with Fortunable? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you're looking for some higher paying survey sites, be sure to check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.